Sit in Siddhasana or Siddha Yoni Asana so that pressure is applied to the perineal or vaginal region. Relax the body and slowly close your eyes. Witness the natural breath as it flows in and out of your body. Feel the natural breath going inside and slowly releasing out. One more time. Breathe in and slowly breathe out. Now bring your awareness to the Mooladhara trigger point. At the same time, maintain awareness of your breath. Feel or imagine that as you breathe in, you are drawing each breath up from Mooladhara to Agya Chakra. As you breathe out, your awareness flows back from Agya to Mooladhara. Keep on repeating. As you breathe in, you're drawing each breath up from Mooladhara to Agya. And when you breathe out, awareness flow back from Agya to Mooladhara. You may experience the breath moving straight up and down the spine, or you might feel it's moving up and down the front of your body. It is also possible to experience the movement up the front of your body to Agya and down the spine to Mooladhara. It does not make any difference. It is just a matter of personal preference and sensitivity. Inhale from Mooladhara to Agya and exhale from Agya to Mooladhara. As you reach the peak of inhalation, your awareness reaches Agya. At the moment your awareness arrives at Mooladhara, your exhalation should be completed. Now, at the peak of inhalation in Agya Chakra, hold your breath and then perform Jalandhar Bandha, where you bring the chin to your chest. This will help you to hold the breath. Retain the breath in Agya for a comfortable length of time. Then raise the head and take a short breath in and slowly exhale down to Mooladhara. Continue without straining. Keep on inhaling through Agya Chakra, holding your breath. Perform Jalandhar Bandha. Bring the chin to the chest and hold your breath. Retain the breath in Agya for a comfortable length of time. Then raise the head and take a short breath in and slowly exhale down to Mooladhara. When your breathing pattern is established, we will continue with Moola Bandha. Now, as you inhale, slowly contract your Mooladhara Chakra. Draw the inhaled breath up from Mooladhara while slowly tightening the contraction of the chakra. Make sure the rest of the body is relaxed. Again, draw the inhaled breath from Mooladhara while slowly tightening the contraction of the chakra. The peak of inhalation at Agya is also the point of maximum contraction at Mooladhara. The peak of inhalation at Agya is also a maximum contraction at Mooladhara. Then perform your Jalandhar Bandha. Retain the breath and the contraction. Then raise the head and slowly release the contraction and breathe out. The point of complete exhalation at Mooladhara is also the point of total relaxation. Breathe in while contracting Mooladhara Perform Jalandhar Bandha and hold the breath and the contraction. Rotate your awareness between Agya and Mooladhara. Raise the head, then breathe out to Mooladhara and release the Bandha. This is 1 round. Practice 3 rounds and gradually build up to 10. Keep on inhaling through your Agya. Then you contract your Mooladhara and perform Jalandhar Bandha and hold the breath and the contraction. Allow your breath now to return to normal position after each round. Each time you contract Mooladhara, feel the psychic energy rising with the breath. While holding the Bandha, be aware of the powerful energy pulses fired from the Mooladhara and exploding in Agya. While holding the Bandha, be aware of the powerful energy pulses fired from the Mooladhara and is exploding in Agya. As you exhale, watch the dark space of Chidda Akash. Feel the dark space of Chidda Akash and feel the vital energy diffusing throughout the body. Feel the diffusing energy throughout the body. After you complete your practice, take your awareness to Chidda Akash and witness your feelings, thoughts and any sensations you are experiencing in the body. With this practice, you will develop greater sensitivity of Mooladhara chakra and spontaneously you will become more aware of the psychic dimension of the Bandha. Mula Dhyan can be practiced directly after Mula Bandha. In next segment, I will be talking of Mula Dhyan. In this segment, we have completed Mula Bandha technique. Namaste.